Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and I've got some good news. If you are a fan of the OOFOS Sport Low shoe, but wanted the Moroccan blue color, well, you can see I got it. It's in stock, and I did a video where I was showing the shoe, but I ended up selling it because the size was too small. So I've been wearing the low slip-ons in a size which is a 12, and it's worked well for me, but the way these are designed is recommended to go up a half a size. So if you are thinking about getting the sport low shoe, which is amazing, and I'll put a link to my review that I did on the shoe, and you're gonna get the laced version, you wanna make sure to go a half a size up. So you definitely want to there. Somebody was asking me the difference on the shoe. There really is no difference on the shoe. I mean, if you look at it, it's almost the same design except they added the shoelace to it. So give you that look, and you can maybe tighten it a little tighter. Otherwise, as far as comfort and support, everything, it's the same. One thing to keep in mind regarding these shoes, especially with the white soles, this is a year later and the shoes have gotten pretty beaten up, and so want to share with you if you have the shoes and are looking for a way to like clean it up, because you know, they unfortunately are just going to show a lot of dirt. This is a product here called Stain Remover. So I learned this about somebody on eBay from, and this product works really well, and I'll demonstrate it to you here on the bottom of the sole. And you can see here that is the sole 1 year later, but it does foam up. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some here on the towel. And just so you could see here a little bit on the sole, I'll do this little spot here in the bottom corner. You can see the before. And just to show you how powerful this stuff is. And look at that. That is pretty awesome. So if you wanna clean, especially the sides of the shoe, then you can do that, and it might be good from the very beginning. I wish I had this product, this cleaning product, from the very beginning. But I did really want to put out the video on the new Moroccan blue color, which is really sharp. And also, again, so you're aware, if you're thinking about, you know, going for both, go a half a size up on the laced versus the slip-on. And other than that, similar shoes. So there you go. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy the shoes. They're amazing, so comfortable, and I live in them. So we'll see you on the next one. Take care.